Let's learn about the standard format for writing an internship report. Most of the times, students get confused that what is the standard format for the internship report. So let's start. This is the internship report prepared in Microsoft Word document. First of all, check the font size and spacing specifications. According to the standard format, keep the font to Times New Roman, and you can see the font size for the main headings, for the subheadings, as well as the spacing, that is 1.5 line spacing. Content of the report contains a title page, then followed by a page of supervisory committee, table of contents, acknowledgement, internship certificate, executive summary, references, and finally appendices. If you will scroll down, you can see what should be included in the acknowledgement section and what should be the part of your executive summary. Have a look at important chapters. Like chapter 1 includes introduction of the report. Here you need to include the background, the purpose, the data collection methods, and the scope. Chapter 2 includes overview of the organization. That is, what are the major activities, departments, or products, or what is the hierarchy of that particular organization where you did your internship. Chapter 3 includes what I have learned. Chapter 4 is the analysis. It consists of financial analysis, SWOT analysis. All the topics have been included. And finally, you have chapter 5, that is recommendations and conclusion. I hope this format will help you preparing the standard internship report. For more informative videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.